How did Air Force SAR operations work in Vietnam? During the Vietnam War, the United States Air Force conducted search and rescue operations to locate and recover downed pilots and other personnel in hostile territory. These operations were critical, as they aimed to minimize the loss of life and ensure that service members could return safely to their units. The search and rescue teams were composed of highly trained personnel, including pilots, pararescue specialists, and support crews. The operations typically began with the detection of a downed aircraft, often through radio communications from the pilot or by monitoring distress signals. Once a distress signal was received, the Air Force would mobilize a rescue team, which included aircraft specifically designed for these missions, such as the Sikorsky HH-53 Super Jolly Green Giant and the Lockheed HC-130 Hercules. The rescue missions were often perilous, as they took place in enemy territory where anti-aircraft fire was prevalent. To mitigate risks, the Air Force employed various tactics. For instance, they would often conduct reconnaissance flights to gather intelligence about the area before launching a rescue operation. This information was crucial for planning the safest approach and exit routes for the rescue aircraft. Once on site, the rescue team would deploy pararescue specialists, who were trained in combat search and rescue techniques. These specialists would descend to the ground using parachutes or helicopters to reach the downed personnel. Their training included medical skills, survival techniques, and combat tactics, enabling them to navigate dangerous environments effectively. In many cases, the rescue operations were conducted under the cover of darkness to reduce the risk of detection. The use of night vision equipment and infrared technology allowed the rescue teams to operate effectively in low-light conditions. Coordination with ground forces was also essential, as they could provide support and secure the area during the extraction process. The success of these operations relied heavily on teamwork and communication among all involved parties. The Air Force developed a robust network of support, including air traffic control, intelligence units, and ground forces, to ensure that each mission had the best chance of success. Throughout the Vietnam War, search and rescue operations saved countless lives and demonstrated the commitment of the United States Air Force to its personnel. The bravery and skill of the rescue teams became legendary, and their efforts played a significant role in the overall mission in Vietnam.